Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is a very special video and I'm so excited about it because when I used to start, when I started watching YouTube, I used to watch this type of videos and I used to binge watch it, guys. I don't know, I have really lost count like how many videos I have watched. So yeah, let me tell you what is this about. This is a jewelry haul, guys. All the jewelry that I'm going to show you in this video is from a store called Fuljadi. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but I have been purchasing from them from past 5 or 6 years, I would say, and they are superb, guys. They have they are very responsive on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and they have their site of own. I will leave the link below in the description box so you can check out. And like if they by chance, like I have done n number of purchase from them, but in case it is like you get a defective piece or something, they instantly, if you message them, they will reply you and they will replace it. That is such a, they are very service oriented, which I like the most. Customer service is very good. And another best part about this store is they always have this offers, guys. Like it is not an offer which is only for the festive season or for something. They have offer throughout the year, like 3 necklace for 1500 rupees, 4 pair of earrings for 1000 rupees. So these offers are throughout the year, and unlike any other store, the pieces which are in offer are amazing. They are so nice and they give you option to choose. So there will be list of pictures that you will see over there, and you can choose any 3 earrings or any neck piece you want. So that is the best part about this, guys. I really love the stores and I have so many jewelry pieces from them. But this is from my recent purchase. This all is from my recent purchase, which I'm gonna show you. And this is how it came to me. I wanted to unbox this on the video while I'm doing this video, but I can't hold myself, guys. It's really very bad. I can't resist myself. I wanted to open the box, so I did. I'm sorry, guys, but anyways, I'm going to show you each and every pieces. Okay, and let me start with neck piece because I have only few neck piece to show. So the first one is this. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, this is the first neck piece. I hope you guys can see. So this neck piece, like you might have seen such neck pieces, like it's currently trending. The best part about this is it is a dual tone. It has silver and this golden gungrus over here, and then if you see this, it has this jhumkas, which is so pretty, and I feel like it is very trendy, and you can style it with sari, kurta, ethnic. And nowadays you can see like people, like girls are styling their ethnic jewelry with western outfits, which is so much in trend, and I think this can be styled in various ways, guys. If you want to see how I would be styling this, then you have to follow me on Instagram, because that is where I post all these photos, with jewelry and also. Yeah, let us move on to the next one. The next one is this neck piece, guys. See, it has this this round golden ball kind of, and this kind of neck piece, you can style it with sari as usual, like any ethnic wear and some western outfits also, guys. This is so pretty, but the one downside I would say is it doesn't have this adjustable string or something to it. But see, guys, my head is so big, but still I can wear it, right? Yeah, so yeah, let me wear it. I'm not going to remove because I like it so much. The next neck piece is also similar to the first one which we saw. Look at this, guys. It has jhumkas. It has the first neck piece we saw had gungrus over here, but this has jhumkas in silver and golden color. And see, guys, see this, how beautiful it is. It's so nice, right? And it has this, guys, you can adjust the length, and also this is the next one. And so with this we come and end, we have come to the end of neck piece, but I have so much of earrings to show, so let me get started with the earring. So earring, I'm going to start with one of my favorite ones. which is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. See how beautiful this is. This looks heavy, but honestly, this is not so heavy. It is too lightweight. And can you see this mirror? So this mirror work jewelry is currently trending on Instagram. I have seen a lot of people wearing neck pieces and earrings with this, and even rings, you know. So yeah, this is so pretty. So, and the next one is again an ethnic kind of jewelry, ethnic kind of earpiece. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. I think this would look amazing with, you know, sari. Yeah, and with kurtas also. I don't know how I'm gonna style this, but yeah, I will style this soon. Yeah, it's a pretty one. By this time, you guys would have guessed that I am a jhumka lover. I just love jhumkas. They are so classy and they're always, you know, like they're always in trend, guys. That is something that is evergreen, I feel. So now I have few western type of earrings to show. Yeah, so let me show you that. So this is the first one. This is the first one. Yeah, can you see, guys? This is so nice. And you know, this will look amazing with any top, any western outfit, even with ethnic some workwear kurtas and all. You can use this, but this is how it looks. And yeah, so excited. So let us move on to the next piece of earring, which is again so pretty. Can you see this, guys? It has this hoop kind of thing, and it has this white detailing over here, which is so nice. I haven't seen this kind of earrings, guys. This was the first one that I picked, and it looks so beautiful. Oh my god, I just can't wait to wear this, guys. So I have two more earrings to show you guys. These are studs, and I love studs. Honestly, I love studs. They are, you know. Oh, I don't think so you can see. So let me just take it out of the cover. So here you go. This is a stud, and it has this pearl detailing and yellow and green color. So I can style it with white, yellow, green, with any of these colors. I think this is going to look amazing, guys. Okay, so we come to the last piece, last stud, and that is so beautiful. So beautiful, I would say. Because do you guys love pastel? Is there anyone watching this video who loves pastel color? Please let me know in the comments. So look at this, guys. This is the next stud that I bought. I hope you can see the color. It has green, pink and white. Not sure if it is you know, if you guys can see the color, but this is so pretty, so pretty, with western outfits, with you know, with t-shirts, shirts. This is going to look very good, and for office wear this is going to be fine, I guess. So this was my first jewelry haul, guys, and I was so excited to show it to you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see, you know, this kind of videos more, and tell me what you liked, and let me know which was your favorite piece of jewelry. I would love to hear it from you guys. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please keep encouraging me and leave your comments and feedback. I would love to read it. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye bye.